So let's add a landing page and some authentication buttons. I'll go back to the chat and type the prompt. Now add a landing page that explains the benefits of the app in convincing language. Make sure to add a sign up button somewhere prominent and a login button at the top right so existing users can log in. Lastly, add a log out button within the app in the bottom left by the username so that users can sign out. Again, modify the prompt to fit your app's needs, then hit send. After processing, you can see that the AI has added a big logout button at the bottom left under our user details. Let's click it. It looks like the app successfully logs us out and takes us to the landing page. Beautiful, but there are still a couple of issues. First, we have the left sidebar from our dashboard, which doesn't really make sense on a landing page. We'll want to remove that. Also, it looks like Base44 discovered another issue. Let's start by clicking that to automatically resolve it without using any message credits. After processing, we've been logged back in. Let's log out again. And there we go. We have a beautiful modern landing page with a login button at the upper right. We can scroll through to see how the AI added a bunch of marketing copy, highlighting the benefits of the app.